Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton and you've found a video on a YouTube channel dedicated to all things WordPress, and today specifically we're going to be talking about search engine optimization. This is another Monday Minute. So today I'm going to show you how to improve your ranking inside of Google organically. You don't have to pay for this, but it's a super huge key that you have to go check on your website because it might be broken. I want you to come over to your website, go up to the top up here and look at the page title, this tab that appears on any browser. You do not want it to just say the word home. You need to have minimally your business name up in there. Better yet, even your search term of what you're trying to rank for. Like this example has Green Tree Tennis Club in San Antonio, Texas, teen and adult tennis. They might even want to throw in the word lessons in there to help it improve even more so. So if you're trying to figure out how to do this and you're running a WordPress website, I want you to jump over here to Yoast and plug in this free plugin. Get your website improved with your page titles. Every single page needs to be addressed like this. And if you're running a different website, not on WordPress, you can still go over to Yoast, take some of their courses, and really learn about search engine optimization. If you have questions on this, put it in the thread below. I'll see you next week for another Monday Minute. Bye-bye, y'all.